Alright, now let me introduce you to all of the ions that is important in our body system. Sodium. Sodium is the most abundant ion in ECF. 90% of the extracellular fluid is cations. It plays a pivotal role in fluids and electrolyte balance, as it accounts for half of the osmolarity of ECF. The next one is chloride. Chloride is the most prevalent anion in ECF. It moves easily between the extracellular and intracellular because plasma membrane content of chloride leakage channels and transporters. It can help balance between the anions in different fluids. Now, bicarbonate. It is the second most prevalent extracellular anion. The concentration increases in blood passing through the systemic capillaries, picking up carbon dioxide. The chloride shift helps to maintain the correct balance of anion in extracellular and intracellular. Alright, potassium. It is the most abundant cation in intracellular fluid. It's establishing the resting membrane potential in neuron and muscle fiber. It maintains the normal intracellular fluid volume. It also helps to regulate the pH of the body fluids when there is an exchange of hydrogen plus. The next one is magnesium. 45% of intracellular fluid contains of magnesium and 1% in extracellular fluid. It is the most common intracellular cations. It is a cofactor for certain enzyme and for sodium-potassium pump. It is essential for synaptic transmission, normal neuromuscular activity, and also myocardial function. Alright, we have go through the ions that inside our body. Now there is a certain specialized fluids of the body. For example, lymph, milk, cerebrospinal fluid, amniotic fluid, aqueous humor, sweat, and also tears. Lymph. Lymph is a clear and colorless fluids inside our body. 96% of lymph is water and 4% is solids. The 4% solids contains of protein, lipids, carbohydrates, NPN, and also electrolyte. The lymph functions is to return protein from the tissue spaces into the blood. It redistributions of fluids, remove of bacteria, toxin, and other foreign bodies from tissues. It maintains the structural and functional integrity of tissue. It's a route for intestinal fat absorptions and also responsible for the transportations of lymphocytes. Milk, also a fluid inside our body. It is secreted by the mammary glands. It's a complete natural food. 83 to 87 of water and 13 to 17 is solids. The solid contains of carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. For the newborn baby, milk is very essential for the baby, which is given by the mother. Milk sugar provides a galactose and structural unit for the growing infant. In intestine, it gets metabolized into a lactic acid, which eliminates a harmful bacteria. It is a source of protein for the growth development and have minerals and vitamins, which is good enough for the baby. CSF is a clear colorless fluid formed with the cavities of brain, which is found in the spinal cord. At any given time, there is about 120 to 150 mL of CSF in the system.